working on retro game development with Blitz3D and managing BBG game files. These contain game projects from this classic 3D game development platform. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll guide you through working with these Blitz3D BASIC game files for indie game development. Here's a technique I rely on. For truly stubborn BBG files, you need a software that can work outside the box. A true piece of file magic. My top pick is linked below. Users with BBG files are typically indie game developers or hobbyists working with the Blitz3D engine. They need to open these files to compile their game, edit the source code, or run a project created by another developer. The search intent is focused on development, debugging, and execution within the Blitz3D IDE. A BBG file is a plain text source code file containing commands and logic written in the Blitz BASIC language. This text-based design allows for easy editing in any text editor and facilitates version control. The Blitz3D compiler parses this human-readable code to create a final executable game or application. Blitz3D from Blitz Research Limited is the core program designed for the BBG structure. Windows only supports view-only mode, necessitating dedicated editing software for changes. Windows lacks support for proprietary engine formats, so viewing or modifying these files requires appropriate software. Your first step to success, right-click the BBG file and choose Open With. If Blitz3D is installed, try it first. If you don't see it, pick a different tool. You might need to try a couple to find the ideal match. If your BBG file isn't cooperating, don't worry. Due to the specificity of the BBG format, we can't skip verification. I need you to check off these crucial steps before we attempt the solution. First, opening in Blitz3D IDE. Launch. Blitz3D IDE and use File then. Open Project to load the BBG file. The IDE displays project source code in editor panes with Media Browser showing referenced game assets. Use run or build commands to compile and test the game directly within the integrated development environment. Next, editing as Blitz BASIC. Open BBG files containing Blitz BASIC source code in any text editor like Notepad++ or VS Code with Blitz BASIC syntax highlighting. While the IDE provides best development experience, text editors enable quick code review or modifications when full IDE access is unavailable on the current system. Finally, migrating to modern tools. Convert Blitz3D projects to modern game engines like Unity Godot or modern Blitz Max variants for continued development. While conversion requires manual code translation and asset reformatting, modern engines provide superior features, performance, and platform support for ongoing game development beyond Blitz3D's capabilities. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. To help resolve this, you might consider a tool with autonomous file reading capability that is designed to look past the extension name and inspect the internal data structure directly. Finally, the problem might be deep-seated. Your most efficient path to success now is using a high-powered universal viewer like FileMagick. This software is available at filemagic.com. I hope the fix worked perfectly. Like the video, and I'll see you for the next advanced troubleshooting session.